Hi everybody and welcome back to Dragon Eye Creations. If you're new here, my name is Laurel and I love to create. And I just want to start off by saying, I'm sorry I haven't been around much. I've been so busy with craft shows and trying to get my Christmas gnomes out. But I really wanted to take the time to show you guys this cute little ornament I made today. He is so sweet and easy to make. So I'm going to show you guys right now how you can make your very own adorable little gnome ornament. Let's get started. Okay, to start we're just going to need one 5-inch square and one 6-inch square, one 30-inch long piece of jute rope, some wooden beads. So we're going to start with our 5-inch square and I'm just going to fold it in half and then we're going to cut it into a triangle. And then we're going to fold it back out and I'm just going to add this strip of minky that I've just hemmed the sides up so it looks nice on each side. And we're just going to attach that with some hot glue right to the front. And then we're going to hot glue the one side. We're going to go good side to good side and fold that back in half again. And I realized I don't want to do the very top. I forgot to leave an opening, so I just trimmed off a little bit there. Now we're going to turn it right side out again. And you'll see where that little opening is at the top that I trimmed off. And we're just going to pull our jute rope that we folded in half. And we're going to pull that right through there. Next we're going to take our 6-inch square and I'm just going to add the fur before I make the triangle this time, and I'm just going to glue good side to good side right along the bottom and then fold it right over, add a little bit of glue to tack it down, and again we're just going to tack the rest of that fur back up on the inside there. And now we'll fold it in half and cut out our triangle, rounding off the top of it. We don't want it too pointy, it's hard to turn it right side out again. And then I realized I didn't add the glue at the top, so I'm just going to glue that first part down to the jute rope. And then we're going to glue our good side to good side for our triangle here again, folding it back in half, leaving an opening at the top. We remembered this time. For our beard, I just have a piece of scrap fur that I'm just going to even out into a triangle here. And then I'm going to take a wooden bead and just attach that to the top. I did end up taking this one off and adding a bit of a bigger one. I didn't like this one was too small for my liking. So then we're just going to add a little bit of hot glue and attach that just to the inside of our hat here. This is the last triangle that we just made. We're just going to attach that to the one side there. And then put our jute rope back through that hat as well and pull it through, slide it down over top slightly of that other triangle. And then we're going to attach the two dangly pieces of jute rope where we want them for our legs. And then I'm going to cut another piece of jute rope here, and I'm going to cut these, I'm going to do 2 at 4 inches long each. Adding some hot glue to the top of one, and just tack it right to where your beard starts is what I'm doing. Depending how wide your beard is, this is what worked for me. So we're going to attach both of those, and then we're just going to attach some beads to the end. So I'm just going to put a little hot glue right at the end of the jute rope, just to give it a little bit more of a pointy tip, just to slide it through those beads a little easier. And then just slide the beads right on there, adding a little hot glue on the end to attach it. Just on the tip of each of our jute rope pieces here. And then I added just a strip of fur around the top as well, and some little decorations. Your choice. I made a little wreath kind of thing and added a snowman and a couple little bells. So just like that, this little guy is so quick and easy to make. He is pretty much done. Little materials, little time, but he is so adorable. Well, there he is. Our cute little ornament is all done just like that. They are so cute and easy to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You can change them up in many ways. I was thinking it'd be cute if you put little bells on instead of beads. That would be super sweet. But anyways, let me know what you think of this tutorial, and enjoyed being back with you guys, and hope to see you real soon again. Thanks for watching, and until next time, love to all.